Hey, glow getters! Want crystal clear, glowing skin without spending a fortune on expensive serums? Well, today, I'm sharing in Beauty Secret, a powerful DIY glowing face oil that deeply nourishes, repairs wrinkles, brightens dull skin, and gives you that flawless, youthful glow. This magical glow potion is packed with 100% natural, chemical-free ingredients. And trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to store-bought products. I used this viral Khushboo Skin Secret oil for just 1 month, and the results have been absolutely mind-blowing. My dark spots have faded, my skin has become silky, smooth, and radiant. Just for trial, I gave this oil to my friend, and guess what? She saw such a drastic change in her skin that she became a huge fan of it. She even placed an order for it. The best part? This magical oil is made with simple, natural ingredients, and you can make it at home. And hey, if you're in the USA and want to try this miracle oil, just DM me on Instagram, check the description for my Insta ID. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make this viral Khushboo Skin Secret oil. Why is this oil a game changer? 100% natural and chemical-free fades, dark spots, pigmentation and blemishes, boosts skin glow and hydration, gives a glass skin effect, improves skin elasticity, and reduces fine lines. Now let's talk about the powerful ingredients that make this oil a skin-loving miracle. Base of the oil, coconut oil, the skin healer. First, let's take 1 cup of coconut oil in a clean vessel. Why coconut oil? It's rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that deeply nourish the skin, heal dark spots, and provide intense hydration. This is what gives your skin that dewy glow. Wait for the coconut oil to warm up slightly. Why? Because gentle heating unlocks the magic. It helps infuse the rich nutrients, enhancing the skin-healing power of these oils for a glow like never before. Almond oil, the anti-aging secret. Now, we add 3 tablespoons of almond oil. Almond oil is packed with vitamin E, which helps to fade pigmentation, reduce fine lines, and improve skin elasticity. This keeps your skin looking youthful and fresh. Carrot, the glow booster. Next, take 1 carrot and grate it finely. Carrots are a powerhouse of beta-carotene and vitamin A, which help to brighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and fight signs of aging. Beetroot, the natural blush. Now, take 1 small beetroot and grate it. Beetroot is packed with iron and antioxidants, giving your skin a natural rosy glow while fighting pigmentation. Orange peel, the vitamin C bomb. Next, take a handful of dried orange peel. Orange peel is loaded with vitamin C, which helps to reduce dark spots, tighten pores, and brighten the skin. This is what gives you that glass skin effect. Let the oil cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes so all the nutrients get infused. Keep stirring occasionally. Oh wow, just look at this magic happening. The oil is slowly infusing with the rich colors of beetroot, carrot, and orange peel. The deep red and golden hues blending together, it's like liquid gold for your skin. See how gorgeously the ingredients are releasing their nutrients into the oil? This is why we keep the flame low and slow cook it. Let it take its time. Let it soak in all the goodness, because the slower it cooks, the more powerful and effective this oil will be. It's almost done. Can you see how luxuriously rich and vibrant it looks? That's the sign of a perfectly infused beauty oil. Oh wow, my whole house is filled with this amazing rich aroma. It's like my home has turned into a mini spa. The warm, fresh fragrance of coconut, almond, and infused herbs, it's pure magic. And guess what? Outside, it's raining. The weather is super cool. And inside, I've just prepared this luxurious beauty oil. The scent is so calming and refreshing that it feels like I'm in a high-end skincare retreat. Now, let's turn off the flame and let this golden elixir cool completely. But wait, we're not done yet. Once it cools, we'll strain it beautifully into a clean, dry bottle, making sure to get every drop of this liquid glow. And here comes the best part. We still need to add our magical ingredients to take this oil to the next level. Stay with me, because this is where the real magic happens. The game-changing ingredients: olive oil, the ultimate hydration booster. Now, it's time to add a touch of pure luxury. Once we've strained our golden elixir, we're going to infuse it with magic. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This isn't just any oil. It's a powerhouse of deep hydration that locks in moisture, smooths fine lines, and gives your skin that irresistibly soft, dewy glow. Think of it as the final touch that turns this into a spa-worthy skincare elixir. So let's mix it in and watch this beauty potion come to life. Vitamin E oil, the ultimate anti-wrinkle secret. And now it's time for the final magical touch. Add spoonful of vitamin E oil and watch this potion transform into an anti-aging powerhouse. This tiny yet mighty ingredient is your secret weapon against wrinkles and fine lines. It deeply nourishes, restores elasticity, and gives your skin that baby-soft, youthful glow. With every drop, you're turning back the clock, revealing firmer, radiant, and younger-looking skin. So let's mix it in and unlock the glow of your dreams. Take 3-4 drops of the glow oil, rub it between your palms to warm it up, then massage onto your face and neck in circular motions, pressing it in for deep absorption. Nighttime is magic time. Let this elixir absorb deeply while you sleep for overnight rejuvenation. Store it like a treasure. Keep in a clean jar in a cool, dry place to maintain its pure, potent power. Glow like never before. Your skin will thank you. And special note here: if you have oily skin, it's important to do a patch test. This oil is an absolute game changer for anyone struggling with dull skin, dark spots, or uneven skin tone. This miracle face oil is your ticket to youthful, glowing skin. And the best part, it's 100% natural and easy to make. So my dear beauties, if you're tired of expensive chemical-filled creams, then give this natural oil a try. And hey, so if you're in the USA and want to try this magical glowing face oil, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. I've added my Insta ID in the description below. If you loved this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more magical beauty secrets. Drop a comment below. Which ingredient are you most excited to try? Let's glow together. Don't forget to share this with your friends who need that glow boost. Until next time, stay glowing. Bye.